In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use pen on Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll be confidently marking up PDFs with clear freehand notes and drawings, perfect for circling important details, sketching quick ideas, or adding a personal touch to your reviews. First, open Adobe Acrobat and load the document you want to mark up. Give it a moment to render and make sure you are on the page where you plan to start. Having the document visible and ready helps keep your annotations organized and in context. Next, activate the commenting tools. Look for the comment option in the right-hand pane. If you don't see it there, open the Tools menu at the top and select Comment. This switches Acrobat into a mode designed for reviewing, which unlocks the full set of annotation features you'll use. With the comment toolbar now visible, choose the freehand drawing option. Click the draw icon that looks like a pencil. This is your pen tool. It's different from shape tools because it captures your hand-drawn lines exactly as you make them. Ideal for quick handwriting or sketching arrows and highlights. Before you start drawing, set the pen to look the way you want. Click the color box in the toolbar to choose a color that stands out against your page, like blue or red for emphasis, or a subtle gray for lighter notes. Then adjust the line thickness using the slider. Thicker lines are great for bold markups or headings, while thinner lines are better for fine handwriting and delicate underlines. Taking a few seconds to set these properties makes your annotations more readable. Now you are ready to draw or write directly on the page. Use your mouse or a stylus to make your marks. Each continuous stroke you make is saved as its own annotation. So lifting your hand or releasing the mouse creates a new one. Work steadily and keep your writing consistent. It will help your notes look clean and intentional. If you make a stray mark or want to refine a line, select the eraser tool located next to the pencil icon. Gently pass over the area you want to remove to clean up parts of your drawing without affecting the rest. This is useful for tightening edges or correcting small slips without redoing everything. When you are happy with your annotations, save your changes. Go to File, then Save. This preserves your pen marks with the document so they'll appear the next time you open it. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.